Welcome to EcomAntoine. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss the product that could make you a millionaire. Sometimes it takes only one winning product to make up for all your previous losses and become a millionaire. I am the owner of several dropshipping brands. We find for you the products to start making $1,000 per day today. Here we remove for you the pain of searching for winning products. If you are already used to online marketing, please put our suggested products on the market right now and watch money flowing to your bank account. Let us know how well you are doing in the comments section. Money loves action takers, so don't procrastinate. Start testing our recommendations right now. If you are a beginner, please start with easy to target niches like pets, fishing niches. Avoid investing large amounts of money in ads until you really know what you are doing. This winner solves a problem. This dropshipping winning product can make many people shout out wow. You can sell this winner all the year. This dropshipping winner is perfect for the Viking, fashion accessories niches. The orders for this winning dropshipping product are not surging yet on AliExpress, so you can lead the trend and make the most money before other people start selling this in dropshipping. Anyone could need this, so the market to sell this to is large. I suggest you sell this in dropshipping at $17.97 for an expected profit of $13.39. But you will make money online dropshipping only if you really test the products we suggested, so please don't sleep on this winning dropshipping product. Start making money online dropshipping this today. This is a good dropshipping product. This winner solves many problems. This dropshipping winner is perfect for summer season. This dropshipping winner is perfect for the kitchen accessories niche. This winning dropshipping product has proved to be selling well on AliExpress. Anyone could need this, so the market to sell this to is large. This dropshipping bestseller was a huge winner last year. This dropshipping winner is perfect for a niche store. I suggest you sell this in dropshipping at $19.97 for an expected profit of $13.34. But you will make money online dropshipping only if you really test the products we suggested, so please don't procrastinate. Start making money online dropshipping this today.